Welcome to the world of forex trading. Today we are diving deep into fundamental analysis, the art of unraveling the true value of a currency by peering into the economic heart of a nation. In the forex market, fundamental analysis isn't just about past prices or market sentiments. It's about understanding the core economic factors that drive currency value. Think of it like this: just as you would examine a company's balance sheet to gauge its health, in forex, we scrutinize economic indicators. So let's break down the major players in this economic drama. First up, gross domestic product or GDP. It's the grand total of all goods and services produced in a country. Traders keep a close eye on preliminary and advanced GDP reports for early clues and economic health. Next, retail sales, a snapshot of consumer spending across the nation. It's a timely indicator of economic trends, adjusting for seasonal changes and giving us insights into consumer confidence. Then we have industrial production, revealing how factories, mines and utilities are performing. It tells us how efficiently a country is utilizing its production capacity. And don't forget the Consumer Price Index or CPI. This measures changes in the cost of living and can indicate how competitive a nation's exports are based on currency strength. When it comes to analyzing these indicators, there are two primary approaches. The top-down approach starts by examining the global and national economy, diving into GDP, inflation and interest rates. From there, you drill down into specific sectors and industries before finally assessing individual companies. In contrast, bottom-up approach flips the script. You start by analyzing individual companies and their financials, then look at the industry and economic sector, and finally consider broader macroeconomic factors. Whether you are top-down or bottom-up analyst, understanding these fundamental factors can give you a powerful edge in the forex market. So gear up and sharpen your analysis skills. The world of forex trading awaits your insight. Until next time, stay informed and trade smart.